keep going.
Hi, everybody. Luxury, sophistication.
Can you see it says Chacott?
Chacott, brought to you by dancewithmarynyc. Go. There she is, the primal redhead in your personal environment, dance studio. She is thinking. She's contemplating. She's looking at a baby gay.
Is this okay? Stop pumping my leg.
Yep.
Pause, promenade to your right, pause, come down, go up, and then pivot so that you finish facing that way so that we show off your pretty arch. Oh my God.
Yes! Yes!
You're such an ass.
Yep.
It was so good too.
So good.
Yeah. It was really good.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh my God, that was awesome. I got so inspired, I had to put on my own crown.
I didn't get paid. I didn't get paid.
Nobody gets paid, not even me. Anyway, I
Go home. She's made 2 checks since she started this channel. 2.
I'm so broke.
You need a break.
I'm so ready.
She's been broke.
Ass. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram under dancewithmarynyc.
Yes. I turned this thing off, right? You know that Mary, she's such to work for. I would never do it again.
It's really hungry.
I know. Do you see the food she got us? Oh wait, sorry, I got us. She's just horrible.